Welcome to the future of video creation. OpenAI has just launched Sora 2, a groundbreaking AI model that's set to revolutionize how we create and experience videos. Building upon its predecessor, Sora 2 introduces enhanced realism, synchronized audio, and improved physics, making AI-generated videos more lifelike than ever before. Whether it's a gymnast performing a flawless routine or a backflip on a paddleboard, Sora 2 accurately models real-world dynamics, delivering videos that feel authentic. One of the standout features is Cameo, allowing users to insert their own likeness into AI-generated scenes with remarkable fidelity. Accessing Sora 2 is simple. Download the Sora app on iOS, currently available in the US and Canada, and start creating your own AI-powered videos today. Experience the next level of video creation with OpenAI's Sora 2. It's not just a tool, it's a new era in storytelling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on AI innovations. Dive into the world of Sora 2 and unleash your creativity.